Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Invest Today. In the news in the street, man, crypto is going through it again. Man, Voyager Digital is going through hell. Have you seen the stock price? 95% decline. Just in the day is 49%. And man, this is where you have to come out. Jeremy Financial has to come out and say his mistake. Coming down from 95% is almost impossible. And you have to remember, he had $206,000 in Voyager Digital, and he was averaging down, saying it was going to be a $20 stock, and the $20 stock was a good price range, and he was buying lower. Guys, you have to tell Jeremy, you have to come out and say what you did wrong. You have to rub these mistakes in your nose, because I'm going through the same thing. Me and my Coinbase position, I'm gonna keep talking about it because man, Binance US launches zero-fee Bitcoin trading. This has a huge effect on Coinbase, man. This could be the end of Coinbase. Maybe Coinbase has such a strong position in the market, it's so known, has a good brand that it can kind of withstand Binance US doing this. Or maybe someone can buy out Coinbase if it goes to hell, because Coinbase is down 70% as well. But man, you have to rub these mistakes in your face. This is one of the main quotes from Charlie Munger. And I know Jeremy is seeing what's happening with Voyager Digital, so he has to come out and talk about it, or it's going to be seen as fake, right? So Voyager Digital, this is what they released. The own company came out and released this. He chose to become one of the first public crypto companies. This decision carries weight in high transparency, and that transparency is a core part of our ethos. It's one of the key differentiators of our platform. We manage risk and prioritize the security of customer funds first and foremost. We keep things simple. No DeFi lending activities, no algorithmic stablecoin staking or lending, no derivative assets. This is them saying this, so they say this is a low-risk approach. Can you believe they actually said all of this? And this is what happens to the company? Crypto platform Voyager Digital shares plunged 60% after revealing 665 million exposure to an embattled hedge fund. This is what's happening with Voyager Digital. And this hedge fund is going under. Three Arrows Capital is having a failure to repay its loan. Voyager Digital is exposed to 15,000 Bitcoin, around 315 based on the crypto's recent price action. So this is what they're actually dealing with, and this Three Arrows Capital is going to go under. What are they going to do? How are they going to get this money back? And remember, their balance sheet is garbage, straight garbage. $99 million. What? That's just cash. $99 million in cash. I'm not even going to count the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now is in the trash can. If they sell it, it's going to be at a huge loss. Voyager Digital had a $6 billion in assets and an equity cushion of $258 million when Bitcoin was at 45,000. Surely its assets had already declined with the market, but today's emission of 655 million exposure is likely deep insolvent territory. And man, this is coming to fruition, man. A lot of these cryptos are just going through it. A lot of these organizations are having a hard time. But Binance, you're seeing they're doing the opposite. They're hiring more people, and they're so bullish on Bitcoin and so bullish on the crypto economy. They are staying active with the whole market. And I'm hoping Coinbase can kind of rattle back and kind of fight this as well, because we're seeing my stock, Coinbase, having deep declines, and this is what's going to happen in the market if Bitcoin doesn't recover. Voyager Digital secures a $200 million loan amid crypto market liquidity crisis. So they got lucky and got bailed out by a little bit, but how long can this really last? Especially if this crypto winter lasts another month, 4 months, year, 2 years. You don't know how long this crypto winter is gonna last. So they're in trouble right now. This is where Jeremy has to come out and admit that he was wrong on this position, because if this company goes bankrupt under his watch, and on top of that, he was recommending this company like crazy. Man, they do 10 to 11%, they give you 10 to 11% interest on your money. come on, any company offering that, you know, is kind of like a scam or fraud. Like, there's no way you can get 10 to 11% in this interest environment and stay solvent forever during any kind of market ups and downs, man. So we already knew what kind of company this is. He was recommending Voyager like crazy. So if you're gonna recommend stocks this hard and saying he was so bullish on the company and you should buy and all of this, you have to come out and say what you did wrong as well. You can't have all the good when it's flying high, when it's doing so well, with no bad. So you have to come out and say what happened with the company, why you're wrong, your thesis was wrong, and what's happening to the company, that it might go bankrupt. So tell me what you think about this video, man. Like it and subscribe. Peace.